baby farm animals. Cat, cat. What is the name for a baby cat? Kitten. It's a kitten. Cow, cow. What is the name for a baby cow? Calf. It's a calf. Chicken, chicken. What is the name for a baby chicken? Chick. It's a chick. Horse, horse. What is the name for a baby horse? Foal. It's a foal. Pig, pig. What is the name for a baby pig? Piglet. It's a piglet. Sheep, sheep. What is the name for a baby sheep? Lamb. It's a lamb. Dog, dog. What is the name for a baby dog? Puppy, puppy. It's a puppy. Llama, llama. What is the name for a baby llama? Cria. It's a cria. Rabbit, rabbit. What is the name for a baby rabbit? Bunny. It's a bunny. Review. Cat, kitten, cow, calf, chicken, chick, horse, foal, pig, piglet, sheep, lamb, dog, puppy, llama, cria, rabbit, bunny.